Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I got a pair of hand warmers for you. They're 4,000 milliamp a piece, so there's two of them, so it's times two, so 8,000 total. Okay, it lasts between 3 to 5 hours and charges between 2 to 3. All right, the runtime is pretty good. The temperature range is between 113 degrees Fahrenheit and 131 between high and low. However, that doesn't seem like to be the case. Right now, this is at 141.5, 142. It's supposed to be between 113 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. So at this present time, if I were to touch this, I may burn my hand. So I don't think you're supposed to touch this at 140 degrees. I think that would be kind of dangerous. So I do have a laser thermometer here, and I definitely have it at 140.5. That's crazy. These are they're going to be difficult to transport. Make sure you touch the black part of this when they're on, because touching them is going to be difficult for sure if you don't have gloves on, because they're made out of aluminum, ABS plastic for the top and aluminum for the bottom, and it's a mini heater essentially, and it will definitely heat up your hand for sure, because this one is currently at 142 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's very difficult to touch. So this is like, if your CPU is this hot, it's too hot. So it's crazy. It'll definitely work. They work amazing. Green seems to be high. There's a green LED that's wrapping around the center here that indicates high, and blue indicates low or lower. Still ridiculously hot. They work really well. So shockingly, I'm going to give these hand warmers to JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating because they work really well. Not much more to say about them. They're hand warmers, but every family should have at least one pair of these just in case. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase them. They also work as a battery backup to charge a mobile device, your cell phone, because they are 4,000 milliamps a piece. So if you're in a bind and you need to charge your phone, this can charge your phone. There is a Type-C on the bottom here and a regular Type-A for output. So input is Type-C, output is Type-A, and 2 amps out is the maximum, but it's better than nothing, okay? So you can't really complain about that, because technically they're hand warmers and they're not battery banks. So it's nice that they offer that option to be, you know, a battery bank just in case, because they're going to have batteries with you. Holy crap, I can't even touch them. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. This is actually kind of cool. This is a new studio that I have set up here in my basement, and have a really cool setup. It's it shouldn't be as echoey. There's a lot more. I have a lot of more curtains here, and I'm more spread out, and it seems to be a much better scenario here to be able to show you certain items that we're going to be reviewing here. So I'm extremely excited. I'll show you pictures of the studio from the back end so you can see it for the front end. I actually did some modifications to this. So I got 4 box lights and my Lumix Panasonic 4K camera. This is really great. I'm probably going to show you some behind the scenes here just so you can kind of see what this is about. So let me show you some of that behind the scenes. So this is just a plastic table for now, and that's pretty much the shot. And you're looking this way, and this is what you see. This is just for now. So I'm going to be, setting up a little bit more elaborate setup. But that's pretty much it.